visiting our Indonesian friend, Chika. Hello. We brought martabak. What's martabak, Derry?
Indonesian fried dumplings.
It's like siomai.
No, like dumplings.
The dumpling, siomai is dumpling.
But fried.
Okay.
But it's not like Chinese dumplings. It's a square.
Okay. Later. Later.
Assalamualaikum. Pada. Hai.
Hello. Chika. Hello. We brought martabak.
Thank you.
Hello, Pika. So pretty. Hello, ganda.
You too.
Chika. Our host. Jonas. Nice. Nice condo, Chika. Watching horror movies. Oh no. Mm. No noodles? Ah, okay. Sige. Later, I'll be back.
I want my face skinny and pretty.
I know. Always pretty naman.
Oh, dia ano, 6, ano.
Hello?
Yeah.
Mm. Did you make the meatballs or just bought it?
Make it.
Wow. Sana all. Can't wait. And we have martabak. Which is the sweet one? Tita, which is the sweet one?
This one is the sweet.
Me, the sweet
The
one.
sweet.
Yeah.
Gag. The sweet one.
Beef.
Beef.
Savory. This one please.
Sige, later. I'll try it. Then this is suka.
This is like the sauce. Yeah, this one, acar.
Ulit
Acar.
Sar. Sarap. The sweet milk chicken beef. This one beef.
Hmm.
Shall I put suka?
You can put the sauce.
Hello, Ben.
Yeah.
And I?
Yeah.
Sweet to? Chili.
Sweet. I think sweet. Spicy.
Good. So good, ah. So good. I love martabak. How was it? Sarap? Diba? First time in that.
This one, the sweet one.
How was it? Mm. This is the other side in the diba. Yeah. Thank you for the tour, Chika.
The tour.
Condo tour.
CIS condominium in Quezon City.
Yeah. It's like getting Presello.
Infina Tower. Ay, towers with us.
Yeah, this is nice. Well. Charis lang.
How many?
Ito lang. Ito muna.
Ako muna.
If I like it, I'll get more. Woo! Bakso. Tapos ito, sambal.
Maybe just two.
Sige.
because it's spicy.
Sige.
You like fried?
Mm. Then, on the side lang, the sambal, no? Yeah. Thank you. Bakso. Ooh. Trying bakso. Is it your first time to try bakso?
My second time.
How was it? Sarap? Ikaw? The Indonesian. First time eating bakso.
Yeah.
Sarap ba? Like, so kakot. So good ah, homemade meatballs by Chica. Sambal, did you made it, Chica? Try it with the sambal.
Spicy.
Kasi konti lang. I'll get more meatballs later. Thank you. First bakso. Bakso party. Hello. How was it? Spicy? Having bakso. So good.